Hello, Super Writers, and welcome back to another great day of a grammar and writing job. Our target skill for today is I can identify and create commands. What do you think that word commands means? Let's take a closer look. So a command is a sentence that tells someone to do something. Like this sentence, raise your hand. A statement is a type of sentence that we have learned before. A statement is a sentence that tells something, like, I have two hands. Notice, boys and girls, that these are both still high five sentences. They have capital letters, they have punctuation at the end, and they make sense. Let's take a look at some sentences together. And I would like for you to think, is this a command or is this a statement? Does it tell us to do something or does it just tell us something? This little girl said, I like to go to the mall. Is that a command or a statement? It is just a statement because she's not telling us to do anything. The monkey says, feed me, please. Is this a command or a statement? This is a command. He is telling us to do something. Feed me, please. Now it's our job to feed him. The leopard says, clean your room. Is this a command or a statement? This one is a command because the leopard is telling us to do something. The little boy says, there is a spider in my room. Is this a command or a statement? This one is a statement because he's not asking us to do anything. If he said, quick, get that spider, would that be a command or a statement? That one would be a command because he is telling us to do something. All right, boys and girls, now it is your turn to read some sentences and ask yourself, is this a command or a statement? Is this sentence telling me to do something or just telling me something? Cut out the pockets, glue the pockets in your interactive notebook, and then cut out each sentence and put it in the pocket that makes sense, whether it is a command or a statement. Alrighty, Super Writers, have fun!